Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In the month of March, for a lot of artists, it's all about robots. And why is that, you might ask? Well, there's a very cool art challenge and it's called the March of Robots. And it's a lot like Inktober, where you have to draw 31 ink drawings in 31 days. Well, as you can guess, here you have to draw 31 robots in 31 days. These type of challenges are very hard to do because it's very hard to keep up with the pace. I remember I did Inktober, I guess in 2016, and I succeeded, but boy, that was hard. Due to my very busy schedule, I'm unable to do the whole March of Robot thing, but at least I wanted to do one robot drawing for the occasion. So let's turn around the camera, see what this March of Robot challenge is all about, and let's start drawing. So, March of Robots was created by Da Costa Bailey of Chocolate Soup Studio in Vancouver, Canada. It first started in October of 2012 and was called Bottober. The original goal of Da Costa was to share his love of robots with the world and challenge his own robot illustration skills. He did not foresee, however, that so much artists around the world shared his love of robots, and today it's safe to say that March of Robots is a worldwide phenomenon. The challenge comes with a prompt list providing a theme for each day of the month. And the day this video drops, day 12 of the challenge, the theme in the prompt list is Bubble. So I thought it was a fun idea to draw a cool robot that is blowing soap bubbles. The rough sketch is done, time to break out the pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Now that the pencils are done, let's kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my March of Robot drawing. I certainly had a lot of fun drawing it, and if you did like it as well, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!